Paborito mo ba ang cassava cake? Today gagawa tayo ng mini version na super soft, chewy, and cheesy. Super cute na individual sizes na perfect para sa handaan or on-the-go snacking. Gumagamit ako dito sa US ng frozen grated cassava para mas madali. I-defrost lang pero wag i-drain or pigain. Sa isang mixing bowl, pagsamahin with coconut milk, condensed milk, and sugar. Magtira ng about 1/4 ng condensed milk para sa topping mamaya. Haluin hanggang maging smooth at well combined. Maglagay ng melted butter na pampalambot and shredded cheese or sweetened makapuno. This recipe is enough para sa isang standard 12-cup muffin pan. I-brush ang inside cavity ng muffin pan with butter at punuin ng cassava mixture. Make sure mag-iwan ng konting space for the cheesy topping. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes or until nagset na ang mixture and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Carefully remove from the oven. Lagyan ang ibabaw ng about 1 teaspoon each of condensed milk at extra cheese for a salty, savory contrast. Then ibalik uli sa oven at continue to bake for about 8 to 10 minutes para mag-melt at mag-caramelize ang topping. Eto na, mini cassava cakes na napakasarap at tamang-tamang eterno sa kape or sa malamig. Enjoy!